In this video, I'm going to be giving you guys 3 apps that you can make money with on your channel. Coming up. What is going on, guys? SSG here, coming to this video. And before I get into this video, I just want to let you guys know, if you guys are new to the channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button down below along with the notifications, so that way you guys never miss an upload a new video. Also, don't forget to like this video so you can get 10 likes on this video. Now, I'm going to be showing you guys 3 apps that you can use to make money. The first one is app Nana. Now, what this app is you play games, and for a certain amount of coins you get nanas, and those nanas change into gift cards. The gift cards that you can go from $1 to $100. I'm trying to get the $50 gift card for Amazon. Oh, also, the links to all these apps I'm talking about will be in the description below. I'm trying to get the $100 gift card. So let's say 6,000 nanas. Right now I have about 11,000. And once you sign up and make an account, you get, I think, 8,000 points as the first sign up. So that's the first app, App Nana. The second app that I'm going to be talking about with you guys is Shopkick. Now, I have had this app for a while now. I just stopped using it because I didn't really find a use for it. Well, it's basically you get paid for walking and scanning barcodes. So also you have to make sure that you have your Bluetooth on for this app. That's another thing. So let's say, and it also gives you a list of all the places you can go to, like Walmart, Kroger's, Walgreens, or CVS, and a bunch of other places. But you scan barcodes of, let's say, 4 items: pasta sauce, vitamins, cereal, and let me check the other. Oh, and Skittles or M&M's. You scan a certain amount, and it gives you a certain amount of points. It can be from like 5 points to like anywhere from 15 or 20 points. So that's Shopkick, and it's compatible for Android and iOS. Also, there are other ways to get money on this app. In Shopkick, you can scan receipts, and if you share the app with other people, you also get kicks. Along with the other app that I was talking about earlier called App Nana, you can also get points for sharing it on social media and following certain people, like the App Nana Instagram page, and a bunch of other people that you can follow to get more points, if that makes sense. The very last app that I'm going to talk about with you guys is Swiftcoin. Now, this app is very simple. It's very straight to the point. You make an account. Let me go back. I used this app for a day or two. I didn't finish using it because you have to enter in a 4-digit code, and I didn't know what the code was, so I stopped. But basically, in a nutshell, what this app is you get paid for walking. And I think after you walk a certain amount of miles, you get a certain amount of coins or money. So I think 1,000 miles is like 5 cents or something. It says very little, but as you keep your walking more miles, you make more money. So those are the 3 apps that I want to talk to you guys about today. If you guys have any more app suggestions, let me know in the comment section down below. Make sure to like this video, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Peace out.